wanna start it over.
It's changed my life.
I wanna start again.
Mahiyain.
I want a new begin.
Sundo kami ng ugali. Even he's a very shy person.
One without an end.
Napaka-pulido.
Nag-disco. Doon ako binigay niya yung number niya.
And since 3 years, I'm very happy.
It's a voice that whispers my name. It's a kiss without any shame. Something beautiful, yeah, yeah.
That's the time na
Like a song that
tumatawag na ako sa kanya, nag-text, nakipag-date sa kanya. Lumabas kami.
beautiful. I've heard it in the silent
Punta kami sa city center, doon kami sa ice skating.
face. I felt it in the long hour.
Masaya siyang kausap. Kahit oo lang siya ng oo, hindi siya makatanggi.
Like a sweet embrace.
Napaka-thoughtful. Napaka-kind niya na sumagot. Pag nagplano siya, siya yung tipo na talagang 100% sure niya na okay ang lahat.
I know this is true.
Matulungin sa pamilya.
Mahal na mahal.
It's a voice that whispers my name. It's a kiss without
Basta, hindi ako magbabago sa'yo. Kung ano nakilala mo ako nung una, ayun at ayun pa rin ako hanggang ngayon.
like a song that stirs in my head. Sing love will take us where something's beautiful.
I love you for the rest of my life.